but you got a spot, no one can take it.
Is there a way that you can get the recording or anything? Because he hit me, so.
Yeah, no, he definitely hit you. So it's gonna, his insurance is the one that's gonna have to take care of the repair.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you got information, make sure you exchange your.
I have to exchange with him, even though he hit me.
No, you need his information.
Yes.
You need his insurance information.
Yes.
Name, everything. I'm gonna get your info anyway, just in case. So I'll be back.
Okay.
But make sure you get his.
Is there anything on mine? I don't think so. Is there?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Doesn't look
But
like
anything
it.
I can stop it.
I have no idea. I had no idea. Nobody told me I was supposed to put it in neutral or anything.
I don't know. Yeah, we got some signs, and he was yelling at you. I was screaming at you on the track the whole time.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. So he drove up and.
I didn't realize.
You okay?
Yeah.
You think it's from the accident? You need to call an ambulance or anything? You sure?
Try to ask everyone. Yeah, I didn't know what was going on. They were telling me, I got the windows rolled up, the things
Right,
going
it's
around
loud.
and everything, and if they're telling me I'm supposed to put it in neutral, I don't know.
Right.
Just got done cleaning after my eventful afternoon. So I got off work early. Was, like I said, doing a whole errand montage. Thankfully, I'm a vlogger. Because ain't no way. I don't even think I can react badly to things anymore. Because I showed it to my mom and my brother. I'm like, oh my God, you got hit really hard. Now, mind you, yes, I have a headache. Yes, I was dizzy. But to me, I didn't feel like I got hit hard. Really, are you okay? Even though I've been talking to them ever since it happened and they're glad I'm okay. It's just the fact that, yes, I have a slight headache. Yeah, I'm dizzy. But I know what it feels like to get hit hard. I've been in several accidents caused by other people. Like, I wasn't the driver. Like, I've been in car accidents where people just smacked the shit out of us. With my mom, with my brother, and then with, friends and stuff like that. So, and then years ago at a stop sign that I was driving. So needless to say, at this point, like I please forgive me if this week's vlog is a little bit shorter, because my storage for the videos I have to keep for the claim, like if I run out of storage, then I can't save as much material and stuff like that, and I have to delete stuff and whatever may have you. It's crazy because I didn't show the damage, but literally you saw the other car's emblem. It's literally just the size of that on the back of my car. So I know I'm not going to pay for it. I've gotten proof that the person said he's going to pay for it. Got the proof that literally, as you saw, it happened. Going 0 miles per hour, I was. And the person saying, yeah, you clearly smashed into them. So I have the witnesses and so forth. It's just now a waiting game for the claim to go through. It's annoying. So I did laundry. I was going to record that, but I was like, it's probably going to be too lengthy of a process. Remade my bed so it's all pretty and nice for when we go to bed sleeping nights. Did the dishes, did a whole cleaning, so now all I have to do is vacuum. But do I really want to vacuum, or should I just sweep? Because I have one of those vacuum things that do hard floors and carpets, so it's really convenient. It's just, do I want to pull it out? Because to me, sweeping just takes more work. Is that just me? Maybe not. And with that, it's like I've been having headaches ever since I started working out too. So honestly, I didn't have a headache until that happened. So I'm not sure if it's due to that. I'm 99% sure that it's due to that, but what can you do? It's like the man's elderly. And there's so many situations and things that could have happened to prevent what went down today. Because I was literally in the conveyor belt. Because I would have, if a car wasn't in front of me, I literally would have just moved up. Like, I wouldn't have cared. You know what I mean? But at the same time, couldn't do that, now that I think about it, because the actual rubber band that goes like this up over your car was in front of me. So I was SOL. Regardless, just, I'm not traumatized, but I'm just like, okay, last vlog you heard me talking about, me being free. I'm free at last, like everything's off my shoulders, and then this happens. It's just, I have to accept the fact that I need to maneuver through life, and I need to remind myself about this every once in a while. It's like, you need to just maneuver life happy and unbothered, no matter the circumstance. Because if I was to go into a frame of negativity, the fact is, I don't even know where I was going with that. Talking about something about along the lines of happiness. You could tell from the speech. Am I okay? I don't know. I don't know. But I learned a very long time ago that with situations that you know you can handle, that are out of your control, but you know that you can handle it in a soft manner, because I'm a black woman, okay? Say I was getting obtuse ratchet up in that bitch. Cop comes, I'm yelling at an elderly white man. You already know what's going down. And even with the current situation with the person that got shot by a cop in her own home, and no way, shape, or form am I comparing this situation to her. I'm just glad that the situation panned out okay, because I literally have to think about that when it's been very rare, but I've had to call 911 before due to the accidents and due to other bullshit in my childhood. You know what I'm saying? So every time I came out of it okay, and I thank God for that. And with this situation, again, it's just a dent. You know what I mean? Other people would flip their wigs. I'm just encouraging y'all not to flip y'all wigs, because again, I've been in very difficult times when it comes to car accidents. So this is like a cakewalk to me just due to that. I'm thankful to God that it's just a dent. I'm thankful to God that the situation happened as calm and even keel as it did. And I just need to move forward with life, and it's just a waiting game for the claim to be proceeded and processed, and just get the stuff fixed. You know? I was gonna cook today. I was gonna bake some apple pie today. Skirt, literally. Put a pause on that. Okay. Not really hungry. Lost my appetite. If I had one, I don't know if I even did. Yeah, it's gonna be a very it's gonna be a very chill weekend, I think, just due to that. So I could just monitor what's happening. Or I may just be hard headed and just continue to do what I'm doing. We'll see. Dang. I'm even thinking about, like, do I even work out now? Or was my cleaning low key my workout? And just take a break. Okay, I'll do 100 steps. Yeah. I can't, at this point, I'm enjoying the machine too much. I can't not do it. So the next thing, because I stopped my errands after this and did the whole thing, I plan on going to the Dollar Tree at some point so that way I can get a calendar. I want to get some mousse and some other things because the mousse is for my hair, for my braiding style. I just want to see if my hair can handle it again. I truly don't know. But I can't be afraid. Obviously, this is what this vlog is about. You can't be afraid and you need to be positive through the bullshit. Message of the day. The more you learn. All right. I'm going to get off of here. Do the rest of my situation. And I will see you guys at the Dollar Tree when I go. Or if I possibly want to talk some more to get myself through this. Because again, as I told you guys before, this is my therapy. Y'all guys help me through, even though y'all don't be commenting, and that's weird to me. Y'all just be watching. Y'all don't be liking. But at the same time, I don't tell y'all to. Does that even help? I don't even know. But hey, can you do like a comment like a brain or a first aid kit or a car, so I know that you rock with me, and just say like, get well soon. I don't know what do you say in this situation? Like, I hope the process is fast. Like, I don't, because the last one, my shit was told, and I was about 7 hours away from home. That shit was trash. But that's when I was in college, and somebody wanted to just run a stoplight and just, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, that's my life. All right, y'all. I will see you when I continue my errands eventually. Hey y'all, I just wanted to give an update. I'm okay. I didn't have a concussion. Because low-key thought I did, but it was just a headache. But it feels good just to relax. But eventually I'm going to feel like I need to be doing something. So let me get this mane together and see what goes on the rest of my day. This is one of the cleanest public bathrooms I've ever seen in my life. Like, look at this. I appreciate this. I did a lot of exploring today, which means I am not using my stair stepper today, even though this is day workout number 5, I believe. But I used the time just going to both museums because the historical one is still under construction. So you saw what only I could see for free, and I didn't feel like watching the movie for $10. And then didn't get anything from the other museum, just walked around just to get my steps in. So now I am very hungry and gonna go get some food, just probably by the water, see what's around here, or maybe just go to my tried and trues. Not sure yet. We'll decide after I cool down a little bit, because it is a little ways for free parking as well. Probably like 10-15 minutes maybe if you walk slow. So yeah, my hand was slipping, so okay, let me chill for a second, and then the next clip will of course be getting food. Oh, it's so damn loud. So it's been a few days since the accident. Although this short right here, my most viewed. That's the only thing that upsets me. It's not the accident. It's not the situation. It's literally people liking misfortune. That's what's bothering me. Because for what? Like, it's literally 8,000 views and counting. Wow. And yes, I'm low-key working through a trauma with that because of the screams that the people were doing, and I could do nothing about it. I have no clue what's gonna happen because I haven't gotten contacted yet. I don't know how extensive this process is gonna be. I don't know, even though there's emphatic proof, you know what I mean? And people are on my side about it. At the same time, it's like, I want to cancel. This is how I have to think. I want to cancel my car wash membership now because of the bullshit, but I can't because I don't want them feeling some type of way and then them not helping me with the claim or the witness, whatever. You know what I mean? Like, I have to think about that. And that's insanity to me. Because I'm just a black woman out here that got hit by an elderly white man. Like, that's the things that are baffling me at this point. And for people, now mind you, I get it. I signed up for eventually going viral because I'm that bitch anyway. But it's the way that it's happening, you know. I don't know. Like, more emotions have, I'm sorry if the camera's shaky, but I have had to deal with more emotions than I thought I was going to have with this. Because literally, the screaming, as I said, of the guys telling the dude to stop because I literally couldn't move up because there was a car in front of me. The rubber thing was in front of me, so I couldn't move up. Like, it's just out of my control. That's why I'm not upset about the accident. Y'all wait on, out of all the positive stuff and all the real shit I be talking to y'all literally waited on a situation. That's how I feel, because I know my viewership should be 10 times more than what it is. And I truly don't even know the extent of the damage either, even though it's minimal cosmetically, but I don't truly know until I can get it looked at, until I can get it paid for. I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I am back to being to the regular scheduled program. As y'all saw, I just went to a museum and so forth, so yeah, I don't particularly care for this video entirely. I just wanted to share my story and what's currently going on. And if you have experienced an accident that was way worse than mine, because trust me, I've been in horrific car accidents. I've seen the aftermath of horrific car accidents. I had to rehabilitate multiple people in my life that I love through traumatic car accidents. Literally, one of them, the bottom torso was detached from his upper. Yeah. So when it comes to this, I don't play around. So that's that on that. And I am going to end the video here. And content will be just resuming per usual. Just me trucking along, being positive, loving what I do, and just keeping one step forward in front of the other. Because eventually, here's the thing. Here's the full circle moment for me. People may be, liking a small setback or whatever, but just know, everything that I have strived or said that I was going to do, not on here, because I'm not finna speak on the light that's within me. Just know whatever I have spoken on and whatever I have prayed on, it's unraveling as we speak. So all I can say is sit back, stay tuned, and if you're here because of the accident, welcome. Continue to rock with me, because I'm sure there's going to be even more entertaining things to you. I don't know what that is. We'll see. Yeah, you cut my finger too. Great, right? Anyway, I really want to go, you know what I'm saying? Oh well, that's how I'm feeling. Okay, see you in the next video.